Now that we have installed Manual Logger Mobile into our PDA, there are a couple of additional steps that we need to perform. First, and before we can do any tool run or collect any data, we must initialize the database onto the mobile device. What this is going to do is replicate the data that's contained in the database in the PC onto the PDA. The PDA will be able to communicate once this data is uploaded and stored in the PDA with the PC through the cradle or through a wireless access point. We will need a web service server available for that with wireless capabilities. It is recommended a minimum of 58 megabytes available of memory in the PDA for the Manual Logger Mobile and the database required. Also, a USB or serial connection to the PC will be required for the data transfer. A flash memory card is recommended. The database must be initialized from Manual Logger. Let's see how these steps are to be taken. I have my PDA connected to the computer, and I also have Manual Logger open. Under Mobile Devices, inside Manual Logger, I want to initialize the database or the mobile database. I click Start, and Manual Logger goes through the process of initializing the database. Once the database has been initialized, I can go to Programs, and inside the Pi system, the Manual Logger, there was an AutoSync setup file that was created. I can click Install, click OK, and now the next time that my PDA is connected to the PC, and let me simulate that action, I'm going to go ahead and disconnect my PDA and now reconnect it. I can see that data is being transferred, and the Manual Logger AutoSync will want to communicate with the PDA. I click OK, and the database in the PDA is being updated now that it has been initialized. After all of the steps are taken, I can go ahead and close the window, and my PDA is ready now to accept tours.